And they feed us lies!
From a tablecloth.
Me and the boys at 3 a.m. looking for beans.
Critic review from Common Sense Media.
Oh no.
Delete this. Why is she speaking enchantment table?
Floating king, what will you do? Great white shacks. Shack.
Hit me up, I'm on Discord.
I want ranch.
Jude with no shower.
Like 90 miles per hour, no lights, no arms, no legs.
Man just got credit carded.
No. No. That wasn't funny.
No.
Mild injury?
A porcupine spike.
Put your stairs in the ceiling, Jason.
Where they belong.
Not a lot of realism in these games.
Look how secret it is!
It's so secret. So we made a building. That is our logo. The Arizona water tower. Those underwear had legs. It should just be like a sock, but without a bottom.
VV box?
Looking for the VV box.
Agua, as in water.
Yeah.
We're back in the land of Xbox controller mouths, guys. Look at Bob.
You are powerful and attractive.
Zoom bad movie seekers, zoom.